Stop. Don't solve this yet. One answer has caused arguments all over the internet. Some people say, others say, who's actually right? By the end of this video, you'll know the answer, and more importantly, why so many people get it wrong. Before we solve it, don't use a calculator. Take 5 seconds and decide your answer. Is it right or wrong? Keep your answer in your mind because in a moment, you'll find out if you were right. Let's solve it carefully. The expression is, the first thing we do is solve the brackets. Now the expression becomes, this is where almost everyone gets confused. Many people think multiplication should always happen before division, but that's not what the standard order of operations says. Multiplication and division have equal priority. When they appear together, you solve them from left to right. So, then that gives us. Answer is. So why do some people get this answer? Because they read as one single grouped expression and calculate, then divide it. This interpretation is common in some contexts, but with the expression written exactly as, most modern order of operations conventions evaluate multiplication and division from left to right, giving this answer. That's why this problem creates so much debate online. Now it's your turn. What was your first answer? Comment your answer below before reading anyone else's comment. If you enjoy tricky math puzzles and logical challenges, subscribe and turn on notifications because I upload new logic PEMDAS problems and puzzles every week. See you in the next challenge.